So check out this really nice glass vase here that you can use for flowers or for propagating or for hydroponics or whatever you like. The company sent this out to me to try out, and I really love it. We have some roses from our garden we put in here, so you can use it as a nice little vase for that. Just put some water in here. That'll keep your plants nice and fresh. If you have house plants you want to propagate, or you have cuttings from outside plants you want to try to propagate, you can do that in here as well. So it is this really nice wood heart shape here. It's got wood here on the heart and the base, and then you have this glass heart shape little vase right there as well that hangs right here. It kind of swivels like that. You can remove it easily like that as well. So that is really nice if you want to take it off to clean or whatever. So yeah, super nice. Makes a great gift. It's heart shaped, so great to give to a loved one, loved family member, or whatever. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little vase, definitely check this one out.